Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Minecraft multiplayer LAN not working. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your Minecraft app. If you and your friend are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can join each other's world easily. However, sometimes the problem is neither the host nor the player joining, but rather the network. Players can use two types of connection when playing Minecraft. It is the Wi-Fi and the cellular data. Most likely, you are trying to connect to the world with a Wi-Fi connection. So what you wanna do or what you wanna try is to connect with cellular data. Open Minecraft and navigate the settings from the main screen. Under the General tab, find Profile and tap on it. Make sure that Use Cellular Data switch is on, and that should be able to fix it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now fix Minecraft multiplayer LAN not working. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!